Thing I'm making is something called like the pink stuff. You need 16 ounces of strawberries. I cut these all up and put them in here. 16 ounces of strawberries. I'm gonna add this pineapple tidbits. In here I have a cup of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. It never said it was healthy. And then my cream cheese. Do a light mix because I don't want to brown or break the bananas. I always put too much lemon, so I always... Okay, I got that lemon in there.
What if you blended it?
We're gonna mix it slowly. The directions say to fold it. After we folded it in, it did turn kind of pink. Oop, no thank you. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge.